Ranked on Google, yet absent from ChatGPT answers. It's more common than you think. BrightLocal's latest figures show 45% of buyers now use AI tools to vet suppliers, but only 6% say those tools always mention the businesses they find on Google. For business owners, this gap isn't just technical, it's commercial. If you're missing from AI answers, you're missing from decision moments that now steer buyer behavior. Buyer behavior has shifted sharply. 31% of buyers look for deeper answers from AI, while just 23% still rely mainly on search. When AI skips your brand, the impact is immediate. Fewer mentions, fewer opportunities, and less trust from buyers who use both sources. Google ranks web pages. ChatGPT and similar tools reuse evidence. They scan the web, extract summaries, and rely on clear, verifiable signals before mentioning a brand. You can rank high on Google yet be invisible in AI answers if your content isn't constructed for reuse. There are 5 signals AI systems need. A clear description of what your brand offers. Answer-first structure that resolves buyer questions quickly. Consistent facts across platforms. Solid supporting evidence, like case studies or verified data. And reusable chunks of information that make it easy for AI systems to cite you. Without all 5, your brand stays vague or unverifiable. Why do competitors get chosen instead? The answer is clarity. Competitors with sharper, more consistent signals get picked 97% of the time. AI leans into brands that make their identity and expertise easy to reference. If your business facts shift or your narrative drifts, you're out of scope. How can you diagnose the issue? Start by testing buyer-style prompts, the kinds of questions a real prospect would ask. Compare ChatGPT answers. If your information isn't mentioned, trace back where things break. Unclear descriptions, inconsistent facts, thin evidence, or muddled messaging. Sometimes only 88% of key facts are reused, even from well-ranked sites. So, what should you fix first? Tighten your brand's description. Make it concise and answer first. Rebuild your main pages if necessary. Strengthen the 5 signals: consistency, structure, clarity, evidence, and reuse. Benchmark outputs, checking what AI systems mention and what they skip. The implication is direct. Google ranking isn't enough. If your business wants to feature in moments that matter, AI visibility is no longer optional. See how AI sees your brand. Baseline what AI tools currently say before you change the wrong thing. Start at Domino Effect Lab Ads.